Why Ibuife? Why Ibuife? My favorite female name right now, right? Every day I say Why Ibuife in my Ogoo. For reasons my family know. I say Why Ibuife every day. Nduya, Noria. Why Ibuife? While Ifunanya is rightfully getting all the plaudits, or let me say a lot of the plaudits, all of it actually, for carrying herself well, securing her father, pulling up at all. That man's rescue was more about his own grace. While not knowing him, but seeing the type of people we there around them, yeah, I get the sense now that man bo ndi Ofor. No Ofor. Ofor is probably a nice man, right? A good man, right? Ofor, or the innocent. Which is why I tell people, or there are sufficient just Ofor. Ofor will keep you alive. You won't die. Man, ega quarter. Ega tezi bafu. If you get me bu ni ijide Ofor, ijide mmụọ gị. Because okay, onwe ike na, onwe ndị bụ na, onwe men bụ na agwụma gị. You have an Ogoo call and you have an indiche responsibility as the oldest member of the family. But because Ofor, but you want to be doing your Christianity, yeah, you will now leave the role of Akaji Ofor, which is the father of the family, which is the role that the spirits recognize. You will now leave that role, yeah, and you won't even be giving the spirits cola at all. You just say need your for that you have covered your own base, that you are innocent. But it's not sufficient because one, so that individual, I'm not talking about this man in particular now, the man now that did offer, but he's going to church happily, but he's a good person, he's not going to hurt anybody, he will take care of everybody. Yeah, that person is actually not Jidain Ofor because he's living his responsibility, and children will be dying under him. His children can be dying. The children of the family that is Ofor, that is Ofor of Ekwo Mmuo, that is Ofor of Ekwo Nsungu, is supposed to be protecting. That Ofor is deserted. That Obindiche is deserted. There are no spirits guiding the family. So stuff is going wrong. Children that is supposed to be guiding, children that have no woken up can just be dying. So, as I said, while Ifunanya is rightly getting a lot of plaudits, yeah, I feel like it demands grace. That man, Ofor bụ ezigbo mmadụ, and ndị ezigbo mmadụ, ụka debe onye ọbụla bụ ezigbo mmadụ, ụka debe ike wee chụọ aja. Anybody will be a good person. You are a sacrifice in the occult that is church. That is what you are. Because you see bad people, they go chop you. They go chop you to the point where you die. Whereas Ogoo Mmuo mana no dey fan adelo. Ogoo Mmuo mana mmụọ nya adịrọ m, ine onye anyị si na mmụọ gị adịrọ mmụọ ga. Ine onye anyị si na ọga mmụọ gị bụ aka ogoli. I won't fuck with you, whoever the hell you are, because me now coming into my hobby because of brotherly love. Because say, if one sheep lost, make I leave all the other sheep, go find my one sheep. Because say, make I lay down my life for my flock. Me now know see that in a bullshit, and me now know say on metal blue na akakuta obalona. Makwifi bobu. So I said, that man Ofor, that na why him survive that amazing tragedy, guy. Crazy shit, man. Go stream Mmuo.
Asa. Udebe Ogoo Mmuo for the next 3 minutes. By back and you get Simeno wine. Maka Mano Sayan or Yition no Quine. So I na Chan.